Come on.
Stop. Look at me, I'm beautiful.
You keep talking.
Yes.
You keep talking.
You want to kill me?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Duh.
Alright, yeah, I got it. County Cops 14, copy 1050. Silver Star Pine Hills, Florida tag Alpha Kilo 9 0 Kilo Yankee on the black Infinity with unknown. Hey, stay off the radio. Hey, Purple and Sarge, where are you guys at? This guy looks like he might be, hold on.
Traffic STP. Location.
We'll get up to it. Where you at?
I got him.
Hey, Burns, can you come over and bring this please back?
Hey, roll the windows down. Hey, windows. Windows. Yeah, I can't see. Huh? No. Pulling you over because you're a tint. You got a driver's license?
No, you gotta have to look up my name.
You have a handicap sticker?
No, you just follow me and scoop me instead of just pulling me over. My friend, let me record it.
No, step out. Step out. Turn around. Hey, no. Don't even play it. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hey.
I ain't even do nothing.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
You mad because I'm recording? Like, that's crazy. I ain't even do shit. You just pulled me over.
Hey, you're getting pulled over for this window tint.
For my tint, so why you restraining me like
Because
I'm
you're
in a car?
Smells like weed in the car.
They ain't got shit to do with me. What the fuck? You
Stop. Come on.
You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
You don't get no pussy. You doing
Stop.
for tent.
Stop.
You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
It shows that you don't
Stop.
like you for a woman. I'm
You
a
sound
woman.
so ignorant right now, and everyone's looking at you. Congratulations. Look at you.
Deputies stopped this car for window tint. Before anyone ran her name or searched the vehicle, she was already making this encounter as difficult as possible. That strategy: be loud, be combative. Make the crowd watch doesn't change what's in the car. The deputies hadn't even opened a door yet.
Look at you.
Whatever reason.
Look at everyone.
Look at me. I'm beautiful. Look at me. Hi, guys.
No one's
Hi,
helping
I'm bad, bitch. I don't give a fuck because nobody like you ass cracker. I'm literally coming to my damn eyebrows done. You put some motherfucking tent, bitch. Give me a ticket. You holding my arms and shit.
You're going to jail now.
Don't you fuck. I got bond money, bitch.
Okay.
I'm going to jail for what?
I'll do a stop.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to name it. Let me get this on camera.
I put the video in.
13 on the front.
I'm
13 on the back.
going to jail for what?
Hey, can you go out the
What y'all got me in handcuffs? How did I?
You're going to jail.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Awesome.
You messed up, you know, pussy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you ain't getting me.
Oh, and weed.
You messed up, you don't get no pussy, fuck nigga. Yeah.
Do a quick,
And you ain't get permission to.
Can you?
Bruh.
Where are you going?
You just pulling me somewhere. Somebody, please come record. They trying to get me on camera.
Yeah, just
Please come record. Please. Cause why y'all pulling me like this? I don't give a fuck.
Because you're just.
Hi. Hi, Glass.
You're just not
Do your
complying.
fucking job.
We are doing our job.
Hurry up. Take me to jail so I can find out, fuck nigga. Bubbles for your pussy ass kid.
There you go.
Pussy ass cracker.
Have a seat. Showing your education.
Where's that at, Sarge?
No, right on the seat. Covered up right there. Open this damn door.
Perfect.
Open it up. I love it.
Unbelievable.
Thank you for not reaching
Okay,
for this.
why would I reach for that? I'm not a fucking threat. I was just getting my eyebrows done. Why would I reach for that? You want to kill me?
You gotta
You
conceal.
want to kill me?
You have a concealed
That's
weapons
not
permit.
mine. You want to kill
All
me?
right. Do you have a
Why would
concealed
I reach
weapons
for that? You
permit?
want to kill me? But that's not mine.
A loaded pistol concealed under a child's coat on the passenger seat. Her first response: that's not mine. Her car. Her seat. No other occupants. In Florida, you do not need to own a firearm to be charged with carrying a concealed weapon. Possession, meaning it's in your vehicle, within your access, is enough. The officer thanked her for not reaching. Think about that for a moment. A deputy running a tint stop just found a loaded gun and has to be grateful the driver didn't go for it.
That's not why I'm pointing at you. I'm not a threat. I'm a female. It's like 5 niggas. It's 5 cars. Do y'all jump y'all want to get a quote that bad? Did y'all miss y'all fucking mark that bad? Oh, you're serious?
Investigation of 1793.
She's gonna get everything. She's gonna get fucking tickets. She's gonna get a ticket per window. She's gonna go to jail for this gun. She's gonna go to jail for weed.
Hey, Corporal. She was gonna try to flee. She was doing this little circle, and then she just kind of like freaked out and pulled in here. But she was doing this ridiculous circle.
Tow the car. Well, she gets everything.
Hey, so Sarge, it was underneath this.
Yeah.
On the
right up, right
yeah.
lane, right?
Concealed, but underneath.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as I moved it to the side.
Okay. Some weed right here too. Yeah.
That's why I told you to pull her out.
Yeah, I could smell it too. I thought you saw like I thought maybe you saw something I didn't see. But yeah, I could smell it.
No, I saw the bag and there's just like
reeked,
and then there's like shake and crap all over.
Yeah. Center console, more marijuana. A digital scale with drug residue. The scale matters legally. It shifts the profile from personal use toward intent to distribute a separate, heavier charge. Florida Statutes Section 790. 1. Carrying a concealed firearm without a license is a third-degree felony. Up to 5 years. That's the single most serious charge she's facing today. Possession of cannabis over 20 grams. Florida Statutes, Section 893. 13 is a third-degree felony as well. She crossed that threshold. The deputies waited on camera.
Inside the center console,
I don't know if you can read better than that.
Where's the serial number?
Right in this little window.
457-74586. Yeah. That's it.
Bro, I don't know what these white things are, but they're literally everywhere. Corporal, what the heck do you think this is?
I don't really know. Let me see. This looks like.
I don't know if it's gum or if it's like.
Where are you finding it?
I found a couple under the seat. I found one over there under the car seat. This one was in a book bag in the back.
That is weird. Hey, marshmallows? Did you squeeze them?
They might be.
Yeah, like a marshmallow, like a...
The ones that go in the hot chocolate or whatever?
Yeah, that's what that looks like.
It might be.
Hey, Vic, what's she saying her name is?
Janiyah Myers, J-A-N-I-E-A-H-M-Y-E-R-S. I ain't got a lie. 26, July 2nd, 1996.
Tonight, relax.
Yeah. No, because he's the one who rubbed up for no reason.
Stop.
You don't understand.
Stop. You're playing the victim. It doesn't work. Stop. Stop. No one's helping you. No one. Everybody knows you're wrong. You're wrong. You got guns and drugs.
That's not mine.
Stop.
Okay, that's fine. Do it.
So this isn't yours?
Yes, it's
It's in the same bag.
Yes. My bag.
Okay, stop.
You're the ass nerd. Ain't got a job because you feel like you're a bro. Bitch, that kill me.
Keep talking. You keep talking.
Yes.
You keep talking.
Add them charges.
You keep talking.
Add them charges.
She told them to take her to jail. Repeatedly. Every exchange she picked added documentation to the arrest report. The deputies said almost nothing they didn't need to. The evasive circle she did before pulling in is also on bodycam. That footage goes to the probable cause narrative. She saw the patrol vehicle and tried to avoid it before the stop even began.
You keep going.
And you is too. So
You
when
keep
you stop, I
going.
will stop. Now take
You got
me
her
to
name.
jail.
You are going to jail.
Job.
You're going to jail.
Now take me so I can burn up. See?
You won't have a
Just
bond.
go run her. Go run her. Go run her. You got nothing to say.
Did a birth
It's not a common name. Yeah, we're giving her a ticket for that.
Per window, handicap. She's getting everything.
Yeah, get a tow truck. Yeah, get a tow truck.
That chick is... She's wild.
Huh? Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it looks
Okay.
like. All right, cool. That's probably why she got pregnant. She kept dropping them under the seat.
You probably need to make sure she takes those with her to jail. It did kind of look like the like mini marshmallows of hot chocolate. It's hilarious. I'm coming up here to get my eyebrows done. This chick looked like a monster when she got angry. That was wild. She's wild.
Jesus Christ, why are you so loud? Why are you so loud?
The thing that I found the funniest was she's trying to get everybody hyped up, and everyone's just like,
I know, everybody's looking at her like, what is this crazy lady doing?
doing?
Hold that for me real quick.
It weighed over, total over 20 grams.
You already weighed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
With the evidence bag,
Window, right?
Yeah. Oh. At least give her 4 of them.
You got spot too.
Handicap spot. She was crazy, dude. Oh, you guys missed it. You hear that?
Ooh, so nasty.
She is. She was way out of control.
Officer grade A-. Tint stop escalated to a multi-felony scene entirely due to what the search produced. Restraint under significant verbal abuse throughout. The -1 officer's comment about her pregnancy was unnecessary. Suspect grade F. Loaded gun. Over 20 grams. A scale. Open alcohol. No license to carry. And she parked in a handicap spot on the way in. Every item in that car added a charge. If you are ever stopped with a firearm in a vehicle, say nothing beyond what is legally required in your state. In Florida, you are not required to volunteer that a weapon is present unless directly asked. The noise she made during this stop changed nothing. The pistol was found. The weed was found. The scale was found. Volume is not a legal strategy. Concealed carry without a license in Florida carries up to 5 years. Cannabis over 20 grams carries up to 5 years. Stacked with paraphernalia, and resisting this is a serious charging package from a tint stop. The child's coat covering that pistol is going to be a significant detail in any prosecution. It goes to knowledge and concealment that the weapon was deliberately hidden. Charged carrying concealed firearm. Possession of cannabis over 20 grams. Possession of drug paraphernalia. Resisting without violence. Up to 5 years on the lead charge alone. All of this from a window tint stop. If this breakdown helped, subscribe.
Yeah, that'll be a fun ride to the jail.
22, but her eyes, you just walked out.
No, she's just a monster, dude. I don't even think she's single. I think she's just a monster.
She's just a mad woman.
You gonna have fun going to the jail.
Oh, yeah.
Sarge, where was that bottle? Is that alcohol? 20% alcohol. Woo.
We're towing your car.
That's fine. I know. I'll just get it out. I know how to do it. No more little money. Don't make me mad. I told the car. Take me to jail. Throw it away, Kitty. Somebody smell like wet dog in here.
Must be you.
No, it's you. Y'all always smell like that dog wet. You can get one lap around the car, you smell like wet dog. That shit's sad.
There's no air vent between me and you, so it's it must be you. It must be you. You know there's no air vent between me and you? You know that, right? I'm not gonna smell you. What? You're weird. That's weird. Come smell you? That is odd. Come on.